Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is TheDuttyBerry, and if you hear an accent, it's because I'm from Jamaica. So I'm going to be talking about Lady Gaga's epic Super Bowl halftime performance. My top 5 favorite moments of her performance. And here goes.
So Lady Gaga reportedly is performing at this year's Super Bowl. No, not woo.
Number 5. Yeah, let's talk about that intro. She was literally on the roof, and it started out looking a little bear in the big blue house.
The moon, the bear, and the big blue house.
The stars were there. It was lovely. Her voice, vocals was on point. Everything did just shell. And number 4, that moment when she was floating, like flying through the air. It was lovely. It was like she was Superwoman. She was doing flicks. She was doing splits. She was doing all kind of tricks. I'm just glad that, you know, she didn't fall, because if she did, it would have been, yeah, it would have been tragic. Number 3, Lady Gaga singing A Million Reasons. It was lovely. It was beautiful. She went for the, you know, the Elton John sort of piano vibe, and it was awesome. She was killing it. Her vocals, what impressed me, I honestly didn't remember that, you know, Lady Gaga could sing. She can sing.
A million reasons, give me a million reasons, giving me a million reasons, about a million reasons.
And yes, I definitely liked her outfit. It was like she was the superhero of aluminum foil.
Miss
Foil.
Tinfoil.
Miss Tinfoil.
Why don't you stay?
So now we're at number 2. And this, you know, this epic moment was when she started to deliver Telephone.
Hello, baby, you come back in you thing.
That performance, I was excited. I enjoyed it. I liked the choreography. I liked the movement on stage. But it was just this entire build-up. Was Beyonce going to be there? Was she not going to be there? Was she going to be there? Was she not going to be there? And I was like, yes, Beyonce is definitely going to be on stage. It's in Houston. She must be performing. And then Lady Gaga didn't bring on Beyonce. But, you know, I don't really care. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I'm not going to cry, you know? It totally makes sense, because Beyonce wants to be officially premiering her pregnancy to the world at the Grammy Awards coming up this month.
When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no.
I know for the best, the most epic moment, the moment that is now going viral online, is Lady Gaga's epic Super Bowl exit. I cannot get over it. She literally just jumped and, yeah, exit like that. I loved it.
Super Bowl 51.
At one moment she was saying rah rah ooh la la, and the next moment she was just pew. Well, that's it, YouTube. Thanks so much for watching my video. Make sure that you like, you share, and you subscribe. And if you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Instagram, Snapchat, all over. So take care. Until next time.
One nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Lord,